How to fix Twitter profile update failed. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix Twitter profile update failed, launch the settings application on your device. Tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the X or Twitter option and tap on that. You will see the offload app option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix bugs in the app. Do not worry because offloading the app will just delete the app but keep its documents and data. By performing this process, you give the app a fresh start, potentially resolving issues such as crashes, freezes, slow performance, and other malfunctions. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.